Oh gosh, I've been hitting it all day. Welcome back to school. This is my hand. No. Down here is my arithmetic homework. I have to figure out how to get you guys set up in a way where you guys can still see, but I don't have to set up the music desk. The reason I say that is because you guys are on the charger, and I have my short charger. That means I can't lift you guys up where I need you to be to see. So, I don't know how this is going to work out, but one way or another, we are going to make this work out. Alright, first, we're going to get the blocks. I got these things. I don't think these will work. They might. No. Let me get the blocks. They'll just be easier that way. Okay. Alright. So, we need to figure out how many times these numbers go inside other numbers. My cat looks really comfy. I gotta shade this. Hold on. Look at this. She's just so comfy. Okay. Probably gonna break these. Okay. I'll remove my slippers. It gets cold at the schoolhouse in the morning. Okay, so the first one, I'm just going to have to read these off. So we have 4 into 8. Oh, I can do that one without the blocks. That one is 2. That's 2. 2 into 9. Now that one's going to be a little tricky. So, this is how many beats are in each measure. 9. And this is going to be one note that's going to be 2 beats each. And we got to see how many of these 2-beat notes will equal the 9. That'll fill the bar. So we have 2. Let me line that up right. And then we have 3. I really wish I could make this better for you guys. What if we go like that? Can you see that? I think you can see that. If I go like this. Oh, look at that. I think the light of the bell is in the way. But I think this should work. Okay. So we got 2. And then we got 3. This is number 4. Okay. So we can fit 4 comfortably in. But then there's 1 beat left over. And you can't use a 2-beat to fill it up. So this is going to be 2 and then 3. So 2 will go into 9. 4 times And then it has one beet left over. And that's going to be, oh gosh, I think it's 1/2. So it's 4 and then 1/2, I think. The sun is really bright. So we have 4 and 1/2. And then we have how many 7s go into 10? Oh, that's going to be 1 7 and 2, no, 3 7s, I think. Let me put these away. Okay, these are your 7s. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So your lavender is your 7. Okay, so we can fit 1 7 comfortably in here. But we have 3 left over. So we can fit 1/3 of a 7 in here. I don't know where my other box is. Nope, those are your singles. We need 1/3 here. So 1 7 and 1 and 3 7s will go in there. Okay, so we got 1 and 3 7s. And then how many 5s will go into 11? That's going to be 2 and 1/2. No, it's going to be 2 and 1/5. Put these back. And that's your. Okay. So 11 is 5 and 11. And how many 5s? I know you can put 2 of them in there. Uh-oh. I need, oh, this is your 10. So here's your, here's your 11. And here's your 5. And then you have 2 5s and 1/5 will go into 11. Okay, so then you got how many 1s go into 2? That's going to be 2. I don't understand. Oh, wait. Yeah, I get it. Okay, I get it. How many 2s go into 3? Well, there's going to be 1 2. And then there's going to be 1... No, that's not right. Hold on, I gotta think about this. Okay, we gotta put the 10 back. We gotta put the 5s back. We gotta put the 1 back. That's a 4. I need a 3 and what else? A 2. Okay, how many 2s? how many of these will fit into here? So this is a whole measure, and it holds 3 counts. And we need to fill it up with one of these for sure. But then we could still put in another count. So that's going to be 1 and 1. I think it's a half. Is that a half? I think it's a half. We could put in 1 and 1/2. There's like 20 of these problems, by the way. I don't know what's worse, doing these or doing the other ones. How many 3s go into 4? Well, I know that there's 1/3. 1 3 goes into 4. So let's keep the 3 out. Let's put the 2 back. And then we need to grab a 3. No, we need to grab a 4. Where's the 4? 4s are in the back here. Okay, so we have the measure of 4. Fit 4 beats in here. And then we have 3 of them already taken up by this note. So then we can have 1 and 1/3 can fit into this 4 beat measure. 1 and 1/3. Okay, and then how many 4s go into 6? We can put the 3 back. So let's put the 3 back over here. And then we need a 6. But I can't get my 6. 6 is stuck. We got the 6. Okay, 3 and 3 is 6. Okay, so we have our measure of 6. And we have 4 beats that we can already put in it. That fits in nice and comfortably. But then there's 2 beats left over. We could still put in 2/4. Wait, that's not right. Is that 2/4? That's like a half of a 4. But I don't think that's right. I think it's 2/4. So we're going to go with 1 and 2/4. We haven't got to reduction. And I'm thinking that the reductions are going to be easier to see with the blocks. I never understood reduction. I just found it really confusing. Okay, so we got those put away. Then, oops, put this one in the wrong spot. That one needs to go in here. And that one goes with the 4s. Somewhere along there. I think there's a crayon in there. Okay. And then the next one, we have how many 5s go into 6? Well, I know there's 1 5 that goes into 6. And then there's 1/5 left over. 1 5 goes into 6 and 1/5 left over. I think he's making thinking he's making this easy to grade for himself. There's a pattern 1 2 3 4 5 6. And the lower numbers are 2 3 4 6 6, unless this is 5. I might have to check number 8 if I wrote that wrong. That might be 6, because I think I messed up on number 8 when I was writing these out the first time. Let me check that real quick. We're going to check on number 8. I don't know if I could do that. Yeah, I'm just going to check on number 8 right now. Okay, it is confirmed. Number 8 is how many 4s into 5. I got that corrected. So I'm going to redo number 8 again, so I get the right answer. But I think even with the wrong problem, I got the right answer for that particular problem. But I figures I should figure out the right answer for what was originally said. Okay, so we need 5 and 4. Okay. So here's your 5. You have 5 whole beats you can use in the measure. And then this is going to be 4 beats are already used up. So you'd have 1/4 note that you can use. That doesn't make any sense. Okay, so we got 1. And 1/4 goes into there. And then we got number 9. 5 into 6 is 1 1/5. And then number 10. 6 into 7. So we need a 6 block and a 7 block. Six block and 7 block. Okay, so there's your 7 block, and it holds 4 counts. And then here's your 6 block. So you have 1/6 left over. So you have 1 and 1/6 left over. 10 down, 10 to go. Okay, so it's getting harder to read because of shadow. Okay, so we have 1 into 3 is 3. And then 2 into 4 is 2. Did I eat breakfast? I don't think so. I ate breakfast. My tummy's all wonky. Put that back. Put that back. Okay. I'm gonna put this in here in the basket so it doesn't get lost. A school ball should go in the basket too, so it doesn't get lost. Okay, then the next one, we have 3 into 5 is 1 and 2/3 are left over. And then the next one, 4 into 6. 1 and 2/4 left over. And then the next one, 2 into 7. Oh boy. 2 into 7. That's a tough one. Didn't he do that one already? No, he did 2 into 9. Okay, 2 into 7. I think it's 3. There's your 7 beats. And then you need 2. 2 is back here. There's 2. That's your 9. Okay, there's 2, 4, 6. So 3 of them definitely fits in. But then you have 1 left over. So is that 1, 2? Is that like 1, 2? I'm going to go with 1, 2. So we got 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we got 3 and 1, 2 is the leftover. Okay, and then how many 3s go into 8? Oh boy. Put this one back. This one fell. The cover. Okay, and we're grabbing 8. That's not an 8. That's a 9. Is this an 8? That's an 8. Then we need the 3 blocks. Teacher is very happy that I've got the blocks. He says it helps a lot. And I would agree. Okay. I need to get another couple of the 3s out. Okay, so there's 3 3s. We have a measure of 8. Then we have 1 3, 2 3s. Oh no, you can't put in 3 3s. It's too big. You're gonna have 1/3 beat too many. So now you only have 2/3 left that you can fill up with a 2/3 note. Okay, so we have 2 and 2/3 note. 2 and a 2/3 note. It makes absolutely no sense to people who know what these numbers mean, but to me this makes sense. So, it's my education. Okay, so these need to go back. Once I get the concept, I'll learn the real words. Once I understand what it is I'm doing. Okay, so then the next one, how many 10s? No, how many 4s go into 10? 2 4s go into 10, and then there's 2 4s left over. 2 4s go into 10, and 2 4s left over. How many 8s go into 11? 1 8 goes into 11, and then there's 3 8s left over. Okay, and then how many 3s go into 9? 3 3s go into 9. Last one is fun. How many 11s go into 11? That's going to be 1 11 goes into 11. Just like that, my homework is done. At least my arithmetic is done. Oh, Oh, I'm kind of hungry. Are you guys hungry? I'm kind of hungry. Where's my mats? There it is. It's hard to see because the light is so bright. Ooh, that's really close. So that's the second column. Where's the first column? Yeah, my tummy is all upset today. I don't know why. That is the first column. Okay. And then the second column is over here. Make sure that the answers are in there. Those are all the answers. So, if you want to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget, ring the notification bell for all notifications.